Good morning, 10th standard. And as all of you know, that we are discussing chapter number 2, that is acid, bases, and salts. And today we are going to study about the salts. So as we have already studied in our previous lectures, that salt is the mixture of acid and bases, that when acid and bases combine with each other, that forms salts. Salt का मतलब यहाँ पे नमक नहीं है बेटा, सॉल्ट का मतलब है कि जब भी एसिड और बेस जो हैं आपस में रिएक्ट करेंगे तो वो क्या बनाएंगे, सॉल्ट बनाएंगे. एंड विच आर कैन बी of your acidic salt, which can be basic salt, which can be neutral one salt. So there are different types of examples of salts, and we are going to discuss few salts in detail. Fine. So the common salt is very important raw material, or we can say the raw substance for various materials of daily use. Like हम सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, बेकिंग सोडा, वॉशिंग सोडा, ब्लीचिंग पाउडर, इन सबको यूज करते हैं. और कहीं ना कहीं इसमें जो है हमारा कॉमन सॉल्ट भी जो है वो ऑब्टेन्ड होता है. तो ये सारे जितने मैंने अभी तक बात करी, बेकिंग सोडा, वॉशिंग सोडा, ब्लीचिंग पाउडर, वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट दिस इन डिटेल. And these are also examples of a salt. Okay. So the first one, salt, we are talking about the common salt and how the first one, salt की इसकी क्या क्या properties होती हैं, तो वो हम बात करेंगे. अगर हम बोलते हैं कि how it is prepared, तो its preparation is very simple. Like all of you must know that when hydrogen chloride react with the sodium hydroxide, then a sodium chloride salt with release of water is formed. Okay, so this is the best example of a neutral one salt, and which is having a different properties. And the first one major important property of a common salt or NaCl or sodium chloride is that it is used to prepare sodium hydroxide, chlorine gas, as well as the hydrogen gas. So how that can be prepared through a common salt or through NaCl, let's see. So when an electricity is passed through aqueous solution of sodium chloride, जिसको कि हम brine solution भी कहते हैं. So brine solution is nothing but it is the aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Then it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. ठीक है. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड आपका जो है वो एज ए रेसिड्यू नीचे रह जाता है इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस फिनोमिना में, जबकि क्लोरीन और हाइड्रोजन जो गैस है दैट इज ऑब्टेन्ड एट द कैथोड एंड एनोड. This process is known as the chlor-alkali process, क्योंकि इसमें क्लोरीन गैस ऑब्टेन्ड होती है, एंड alkali NaOH आपका बेस भी obtained हो रहा है, and the base which is soluble in water. So that's why, and that is an alkali. So chlor-alkali product, as I have already told you, that chlor for chlorine and alkali for sodium hydroxide. The reaction which is overall reaction which takes place in that is that when sodium chloride reacts with water, it gives NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. क्लोरीन गैस बेटा जो होती है वो आपकी एनोड पे आती है, जबकि हाइड्रोजन गैस जो होती है वो कैथोड पे आती है. Whereas sodium hydroxide solution that is formed near the cathode. Or these three products which is obtained here are used as a products or as a substance for many purposes. Like if you can see, this is the figure of chlor-alkali process, and it is a very important figure. Diagram इसकी बहुत important होती है. देखिए बेटा, दो इलेक्ट्रोड्स हैं आपके, ग्रेफाइट की रॉड्स होती हैं, which is a brine solution is taken. As you can see, here is a semi-permeable membrane it is used. Now semi-permeable membrane का जो function होता है, that is only just to allow the movement of a selected particles from one side to the another one side. ठीक है. एनोड पर जो है आपकी, as you can see, जब हमारा NaCl है वो ब्रेकअप होगा, and NaCl is present in water, तो दो ब्रेकअप होंगे, Na positive, Cl negative. NaCl is dissociate itself into or ionize itself into Na positive and Cl negative, whereas water is dissociated itself into H positive and OH negative. So as you can see here that there are the four components present in this one solution, and because at anode. Anode is a positively charged, so the negative charged ions that attracted toward the anode, whereas the positive charged ion attracted toward the cathode, because cathode is a negatively charged which is further connected to the battery. ठीक है, जिसका कि पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल जो है वो एनोड के साथ कनेक्ट है और नेगेटिव टर्मिनल आपका कैथोड के साथ कनेक्टेड है. Now here you can say there are the two ions negatively charged. One is the chloride and another one is the hydroxide, whereas the two positively charged ions are present in this solution, that is Na positive and H positive. But बेटा होता क्या है कि जो इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल है आपका Na positive का, that is lesser than the H positive, so because of which the H positive is attracted toward the cathode side, and it is formed here. H positive combines together and it forms H2 gas, which is released at cathode, whereas similarly the chloride जो है that is going to be Cl negative to ions of Cl negative that gets combined together and forms a Cl2, whereas in the solution Na positive and OH negative is left behind, which is collected towards the cathode, and NaOH is taken out from the cathode one side. ठीक है, तो उसको कैथोड साइड से निकाल लिया जाता है. इट्स फंक्शंस आर दैट इट इज यूज्ड इन डिग्रीसिंग मेटल्स, सोप्स बनाने में, डिटर्जेंट्स बनाने में इसका यूज किया जाता है. NaOH का बेटा ये एल्कली है आपका, ये स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस है. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड फॉर पेपर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एज वेल एज आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर्स. Whereas if we are talking about the hydrogen, so hydrogen is used as a fuel because it is a clear fuel or a clean fuel having a high calorific value. It is also used in a margarine, and it is also used to manufacture ammonia, which is further used as a fertilized. Ammonia is manufactured through Haber process by the reaction of nitrogen gas with hydrogen gas under certain or under the specific conditions in the presence of catalyst, iron and molybdenum. ठीक है, जबकि अगर हम क्लोरीन गैस की बात करते हैं तो क्लोरीन gas is acting as a bleaching agent, and that's why it is used in the water treatment plant. It is also used in the swimming pools. It's also used in the polyvinyl chloride formation के लिए. It also acts as a disinfectant. Chlorofluorocarbon में इसका use होता है, as well as it is also used as a pesticide. So if you can see here from the figure, एक साइड से बेटा आपका ब्राइन पुट किया जाता है, जबकि आपका NaOH जो है वो दूसरी साइड से क्या होता है, कलेक्ट किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट वन, so if we are talking about the bleaching powder, then bleaching powder formula is calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2. ठीक है, that calcium oxychloride, and as all of you know that the chlorine is produced during the electrolysis of brine solution, during the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride. So this chlorine gas is also used in the manufacture of bleaching powder. When calcium hydroxide, which is also known as the slaked lime, combines with chlorine gas, it gives a calcium oxychloride with the release of water. ठीक है, अगर हम बात करें कैल्शियम ऑक्सीक्लोराइड के कंपोजिशन की, तो it is quite complex at this standard, so we are not going to discuss it in detail, but its uses if we are talking, so as I have already told you that it is also used as a bleaching agent, and it's used in the textile industry to bleach cotton and linen. It is also used to bleach wood pulp in the paper factories, as well as washed clothes in laundry. Fine. It is also used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industry, as well as it is also act as a bleaching powder, also act as a disinfectant, and that's why it is used to make drinking water free from germs. Okay, beta. नेक्स्ट अगर बात की जाती है, सो देयर इज अनदर वन सॉल्ट विच वी आर कॉलिंग एज अ बेकिंग सोडा, जिसे हम बेकिंग सोडा भी कहते हैं। बेकिंग सोडा का आपने नाम सुना होगा। वैसे बेसिकली जो आप घरों में यूज करते हैं, दैट इज अ बेकिंग पाउडर। ठीक है, सो आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट। सो बेकिंग सोडा बेटा, जैसा हमने बात करी, तो इसका नाम आपने घरों में भी सुना होगा। योर मदर मस्ट बी यूजिंग इट इन kitchen. So that generally that is not a baking soda, that is a baking powder, which is a mixture of baking soda with the tartaric acid. ठीक है, सो बेकिंग सोडा का यूज यूजुअली किचन के अंदर टू मेक योर पकोड़ाज, भटूराज, क्रिस्पी, एज वेल एज द swollen one. फूले हुए भटूरे होते हैं ना, उनके लिए, या हम छोले बनाते हैं, चना, if we prepare, then we are using a baking powder so that that can cook faster. So the chemical name of the baking soda is sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, and it is also used sodium chloride for sodium chloride is also used for its preparation. When sodium chloride react with water and carbon dioxide and ammonia, then ammonium chloride with the release of sodium bicarbonate या release of sodium hydrogen carbonate is taken place. So यहाँ से अगर हम बात करें तो NaHCO3 बनता है आपका, and NaHCO3 because it is formed by the by the salt and ammonia gas, so it is a basic in nature. अगर हम इसका pH चेक करते हैं सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट का, so it comes near about 9 to 10, and that's why it is used to neutralize as an acid. एक इसका ये भी यूज है कि जब एसिडिटी हो जाती है तो हम बेकिंग सोडा को ले सकते हैं for neutralizing the effect of your acid. It is a mild but non-corrosive basic salt also, and when we heat up the sodium bicarbonate, then after heating, it dissociated itself into the sodium carbonate with release of CO2 gas. And this is the reason that everything that swelled up, वो puffiness उसमें आ जाती है एकदम ही, and that's why it is also used to make the cakes और bakeries के items बनाने के लिए भी इसका क्या किया जाता है बेटा, यूज किया जाता है। यूजेस जैसा मैंने अभी बात करी कि बेकिंग पाउडर के यूजेस के लिए इसका यूज करते हैं, एंड बेकिंग पाउडर बेसिकली एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट इट इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा as well as a mild edible acid that is known as the tartaric acid. तो इन दोनों के मिक्सचर को बेकिंग पाउडर कहा जाता है, और जब इसे पानी में मिलाया जाता है या हीट किया जाता है तो ये CO2 रिलीज करता है विद रिलीज ऑफ सोडियम सॉल्ट ऑफ एन एसिड, और यही CO2 है जो कि हमारी ब्रेड को और केक्स को क्या करती है, सॉफ्ट और स्पॉन्जी बनाती है। एंड दैट्स व्हाई whenever we prepare the cakes or bread or biscuits, so we use as a small amount, pinch of baking soda or baking powder. ठीक है, sodium hydrogen carbonate is also used as an antacid because of its alkaline nature. It really it neutralizes the effect of acid which is produced in our stomach and gives us a relief. It is also because it produces CO2, that's why it is also used in soda acid fire extinguishers. So बेटा आज हम यहीं तक करेंगे, और इन तीनों सॉल्ट्स को आपने अपनी बुक से बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ना है. दैट इज वी हैव डन sodium chloride, baking soda, as well as the bleaching powder. So just go through your NCERT book and read the topic from your NCERT. Thank you.